Okay, so what does percent in percent do? I can show you guys with a really easy example. So, well, first of all, if you want to read the documentation of it, all you do is you do this, and then, oh, oops, not this. Yeah, so you do parentheses, percentage in, percentage to see what it does, but to show you guys what it actually does. I'll give you an example. So we have, like, let's say x is a vector of 1, 2, 3, 4, and y is a vector of 2, 3, 4. What percentage in percentage does is it outputs like a logical vector. So it outputs a vector filled with true or false statements. And it's pretty intuitive, like whether something like an element of one vector is in the element of the other vector. So I'll give you an example. So let's do x in y, and then you can guess what the output of test one will be. So if we put the output, it gives us false, true, true, true. So it's saying that 1 is not in y, 2 is in y, 3 is in y, and 4 is in y. So that's why you get false, true, true, true. But then let's reverse it. So we'll do test 2 is y percentage in percentage x. So if we run this, you can guess, okay, think a moment, what's the output of test 2 going to be? Okay, done thinking. So it gives you true, 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 true. And this is because it's saying y, which is the first element of y, 2, is in the vector x. 3 is in the vector x as well. And 4 is in the vector x as well. So that's why it gives you true. But because y is a vector of 3 elements, it gives you a logical vector that's 3 elements long. But in test 1, x is a vector of 4 elements. So it gives you a logical vector back of 4 elements long. Anyway, so that's how percentage in percentage works. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.